What's going on, Daily Fam? Today we got the Lost Origins versus the Scarlet and Violet 151 Lost Origin from Sword and Shield era. It's one of my favorite ones. Would love to pull that Giratina out of here. Still searching for that one. And of course, I still want that full illustration art Charizard and Blastoise. And get into these packs. I'm gonna start off with the Lost Origin. See what we get out of it. Get some good hits today. Did a previous battle. I believe 151 took that. Anytime you see that card, cue card flipped on, I mean, that's definitely been a reprint. Put forward to the front there. Let's get to it. Got a water energy. Is that? Let's try it. Wow. So, Baskins. First probably right to non-hollow. Okay. So out to the side. Got 5 packs each, so looking to get about 2 or 3 hits. Shit. That is another backwards cue card there. A lot of people go out and searching for these packs. Gotta make sure you got long vacuum, resistance, vision, cool, ducket, ghastly, reverse to another non-hollow. I'm really expecting 151 to take this one. Either these packs are ripping them, you can tell they've been repackaged or something, but it's all right. Not resealed, just reprinted at the printer. So getting into them, usually follow them all around Walmart, Dollar General. It's a nice hollow. Put that off side there. Dollar General, Family Dollar, CVS, Walgreens, sometime even Dollar Tree has cards. Just about anywhere, if you around and notice a store that possibly could have them, go in there and try your luck and pick some out. Me, I usually do, Walgreens, Dollar General have a lot of them around here, and usually hit them up. Supply, ETBs, GameStops, So like that, man. Lost Origins don't look like you have nothing today. It's not gonna be an easy victory for 151, but you never know. Last pack of this Lost Origin. See if we get some last pack magic. I actually thought I'd get something. Oh, looks like it's something back there. We shall see. Gone to Marrow, Cool, Ghastly, Electrite, Monzor, to a nice Radiant, into V. Get these 2 sleeved up. Do count this as the Radiant cards as a hit. They are pretty nice most of the time. That one in there. I'll say that's a hit. And then V is a nice card too. That's sleeved up. Don't look like 151 that I can do too much makeup work to catch up there. But you never know. With these packs, man. You never know what you may get out of these packs. Alright, 151, my favorite set of all. Make sure we get into this here. Add up in there. Alright. These are guaranteed hits, one to the front. Psychic Energy, Machop, Electric Buzz, Conflict, Tangela, Rapidash, Nidoran, Eradicate, Muck, Psyduck, and a gone. Alright. That's a one hit already for 151. Put them off to the side. Into this second pack here. Really enjoy opening 151. It's a very entertaining and real fun pack to open. I'm gonna say Fire Energy. Oh, that's a beautiful Fire Energy. There, put that off to the side there. Gotta execute a Clefairy, a Machop, Flygon, Hitmonchan, Sea King, Butterfree, to a reverse hollow Machop, into a reverse Larion, into a hollow. Oh, really, really nice. I actually need this in the hollow. Glad I pulled it. Put that in my binder, and it's also good. I got a reverse, I don't know, Larion. It's real nice. Don't count them as, I'm not gonna count them as hits, but it's really nice that I got those for the binder. See if I had another reverse hollows, get them out of there. I always go back through them in my binder and see if I have them to switch out from the base card. Get into the third pack of 151. And that Blastoise full illustration has been elusive to me, and especially Charizard. I already had the Venusaur. Yep, got that on my very first ETB opened, actually. Okay, basic energy. Okay, got Staryu, Charmander, Turbo, Bellsprout, Cometee, Tauros, Kadabra, reverse Voltorb, into a Dragonair, into a hollow Natrobe. Oh, don't want to drop that too many times. Very, very nice Dragonair. I actually already have this card, but it's always good to get another one. I will be selling some cards coming up. Alright. We'll put the card over here. Like that. Into second from last pack. 2 more to go. We're already tied. You can say really, basically one with that Dragonair, right? Depending on if you want to go money value, and a cue card, okay? I'm gonna say Water Energy, basically, okay. Seal, ooh, Tentacle, right at the top. Well, Big Air Balloon, Primate, nice Pharaoh, nice Sand Slash, into the Kangaskhan. Okay. Get that sleeved up. The hits are really good in 151. It's a good thing, especially if you get it going. Let's get this last pack. Look, let's go and get that full illustration art. Charizard right here. See if we could finally master pulling it. Let's pack it here. Alright. No deal. Cue card to the front, Water Energy. Oh, that's the one. Look, might be on my side. Conflict. Psyduck. Ekans. Cubone, Clefable, Tentacruel, Hitmonlee, to a reverse Squirtle, to a reverse Cubone, and to a Moltres. Nice hollow card. Like, subscribe, follow, and share. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.